Alright guys, so last time we left you off with our boy Victor from Victorious Fishing, catching some absolute money fish out at Lake Havasu. We want to give a big shout out to Victor with Slay Nation and Southern Nevada Kayak Anglers. Victor is another local fisherman and content creator out here in Vegas, so make sure you go check him out. And if you haven't seen the first part of this video, make sure you go check that out too. Here's some clips from that.
Catching anything?
Not yet.
What do you catch?
Bass.
Yeah, are they good?
Oh, I'm not eating it. I'm tournament fishing.
Oh, okay.
You're in a tournament now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We got 20 anglers.
Yeah. Good luck.
Got my competition right over there.
Do you live here?
No, I'm from Las Vegas.
Oh, so you're just here for the weekend or the week?
Here for a tournament, yeah. 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 Oh! Woo! No, we scale it, measure it. Yeah. Yeah.
Good job. I hope you win the whole damn thing.
Yeah, good.
I'm leading right now out of all 20. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Sheesh. Whoa. These waves are literally higher than my freaking kayak. I ain't never seen nothing like this at Lake Mead. I mean, while I'm out there fishing. I've seen it like this before, but not while I'm out fishing. I'm not even gonna lie, this got me a little trippy. Oh, it's a freaking ocean. Be careful. Be careful out there. I'm out of here. I'm not coming back. Alright guys, there it is. Yes sir. We are on first place standing right now, but I don't want to get ahead of myself. It still got to go through a few judges and see if I do qualify for that. But there it is guys. Got my truck, got the kayak, got some other kayakers right here that were in the tournament. There goes the lake. Looks nice out. But I'm happy with my results. I got 6 fish. Let's get it. Representing that. Yes sir.
Alright folks, so our buddy Victor did end up winning that tournament. First place, how about that? Here's a picture of his trusty kayak, and it looks like he went out for a nice steak dinner to celebrate. Hey, I would too. So with that said, make sure you like and subscribe down below, and let us know any video ideas you have for us down in the comments section. We'll see you in the next one.